Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of March to share with you. Now before we dig into the box, I have a question I want to throw out there. What is your favorite beauty subscription and why? I've been thinking about subscribing to a new beauty box. I can't give up my Ipsy Plus, so I'd probably just add on. So I want to know what's your favorite and why. Make sure you let me know that part. Is it the variety? Is it the price? I'm open to suggestions. I kind of have an idea of what the answer is going to be. You can let me know sample size boxes or full size boxes. So let me know, or full size product boxes. You know what I mean. So let me know. I can't wait to read what your favorites are. Before we dig into our March box, I want to just quickly tell you about one of the products that we got in our February box. So this is the Wander Beauty Foundation. I'm loving this foundation. I've been using it ever since we got it, and it's great. This is the one with the doe foot applicator. Whoops. I only have one complaint about this product, and I'll tell you after, but it's more user error. So it has the doe foot applicator. I don't use that. I have found that it's not cakey. It goes on smoothly. It lasts. I'm very, very happy with it. So I just kind of put it on my hand and use my fingers to apply. I don't use the doe foot applicator. So my only complaint is that I always splatter. Whenever I take out the doe foot, like it just splatters. But that's me. We can't blame the product for that. But anyway, I'm very happy with this product, and I'm actually thinking about switching from my IT Cosmetics to this. That's how much I really like it. So yeah, very happy with that. I'm also really happy with the Murad from last time. I forgot to bring it with me in the room, but the Murad moisturizer, really loving that. Okay, ready for March's bag. So normally we go over 5 products. Today we have 7 because I have an add-on, and I have Ipsy's giving us an extra product. So we're getting 6 from Ipsy plus the add-on, which is 7. So Ipsy's giving us the 6 because it's their 100th glam bag celebration. So thank you, Ipsy, for that. All right, so first let's go over my add-on because you know it's my favorite brand. So it's 111 Skin. Now, my friend Mare from Mare of All Trades, I'll link her channel below. She reached out to me and said, hey, Kayla, you gotta know. I just wanna let you know that there's a 111 Skin product on the add-ons this month. And I was at work, so I started to panic because I'm like, oh gosh, I hope it's there when I get home. But at lunch, I ordered one and I was able to still get one, so I was very happy about that. So this, oh, it's not on my sheet. Let me read the box. So this says, working to improve dull and lax skin, this highly concentrated booster targets signs of hyperpigmentation and irregular skin tone, both helping to reduce and prevent discoloration. The result is brighter skin with enhanced luminosity. All right, so let me show you the bottle. This is the Vitamin C Brightening Booster. Very sleek looking bottle, right? All right, so here's the applicator. So I would probably, I didn't read the directions, but I would probably, feels really nice. Does it have a smell? Not really a smell. Really feels nice. So I would probably mix this with my moisturizer. I was using one of like a brightening product like this. I can't remember which one it was. Maybe like Face 2 Hero or something like that. But I can't wait to try this and mix it with my moisturizer because I'm using the 111 Skin Moisturizer thanks to Mare. So yeah, maybe I'll get better results. I haven't found a 111 Skin product that I don't like. I'm very happy with their line. They're pricey though, so we have to find them when we get add-ons for our boxes, right? All right, let's dig into the box. So the first thing I have to show you is by Billion Dollar Brows. So here's the box. Oh, actually it says 60 seconds to beautiful brows. All right, so it says, got light to dark brown brows? Give them a quickie makeover with this easy to use kit. The taupe matte powder allows you to play with your brow shape, adding depth to sparse brow hairs. And the dual-sided brow brush, it's idea for building and blending out color. This is valued at $24. So let's see. Here's the brush. Oh, see, yeah, it's got the dual. Here's one side, and then the brush is on the other. And then here is the color. So it's a good match for my brows. Even if I go a little bit lighter, because sometimes I do in the summer, this is still a good color for me. Can you swatch a brow color? We're gonna do it anyway. There's no rules, right? Here we go. Oh, that's dark. but it's a good match, right? I would say so. So I'm excited to use this. I don't always do my brows, but sometimes like in between like waxes or like right after waxes if I have to fill in a little bit. So I'm excited to have this. Okay, let's see what's next. I love my Ipsy Plus boxes. All right, this is by Hemps. So this, here's the bottle. Whoops, dropping things. This is the Body Moisturizer in Sweet Pineapple. It says, our skin has never looked, felt, or smelled better thanks to the moisturizing hemp seed oil in this tropical scented body cream. It's also formulated with hydrating pineapple extract and antioxidant loaded honey melon extract to help nourish, repair, and soften your skin. This is valued at $10.95. So not really that high of a value. But I love lotions. I love body products. Ooh, that's very sweet. That's very sweet and very fruity, but it feels really good on your skin. My hands are so dry, and I use lotion constantly, but I wash my hands so much. I'm not just washing them more now. I always wash my hands a lot, and so my hands are dry. So this is it's good to get a body lotion. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna throw this in my purse because I have one on my desk at work, a lotion, and I have one at home, like in the bathroom, by the kitchen sink, on my nightstand. And so this will be a good size to throw in my purse. So that's very fruity, but I like it. This will be good for summertime, actually. Maybe I'll save this for the summertime because it's a very summery type of scent. Okay, let's see. I think this is one of the products that I chose, or the product that I chose, because you can choose one product for your bags. This is by Malin Goetz. I don't know how to say that. Revitalizing Eye Gel, valued at $42. Your delicate eye area is the first to show signs of aging, so give it love with this multitasking eye gel. The lightweight texture soaks into skin without leaving behind any annoying residue and helps soften lines, depuff bags, soothe irritation, and brighten up dark circles. Ooh, I need this. And this is $42. I like that it's in this pump type of container. A lot of the eye creams that I have and the eye gels that I have are in those, you know what kind of containers I'm talking about, where you have to just kind of dip your finger into and put it on. I feel like this is a little bit more sanitary, don't you? Because you're just pumping it and you're not constantly putting your finger in it. Even though we wash our hands, it's still, I don't know. I like this idea better, especially with what's going on now, you know? Ooh, that's got a minty smell to it. If you received this product, let me know if you feel the same or think the same thing. This is pretty minty, almost like a spearmint. But you know what? It feels, this is one, you know when you put on like a moisturizer or a lotion and it's got like that cooling effect? That's what this has. That feels nice. So this is gonna be a nice product for underneath your eyes because it has that cooling effect. So I have a feeling this is gonna work. I'll report back. I'm gonna try this right away. I'll try this tonight. All right, let's see. What do we have left? This is by Yenta. This is the Super 8 lip oil in pink. This is valued at $24. I like the Yenta lip oils. So it says, let your lips live their best life with this tinted oil. It's packed with 8 different superfoods to supply your lips with the antioxidants, nourishment, and moisture they need to feel soft and healthy. And the sheer pink tint, it's gorgeous and universally flattering. Did I tell you it's valued at $24? Ooh, wow. But you know what? The oil's not going to be this bright, but I love the bright color because it's sheer. But I have lipstick on. Let's swatch it on my hand. User error. I get so excited and the product just kind of splatters. Ooh. See how sheer it is? There's that brow color. Very sheer. Let's put it on over my... I'm gonna look at the monitor for a second. Ooh. It feels nice. It smells like watermelon. Ooh. Ooh, I like that. Have a little bit of a shine now. Well, this is nice. And this is good for the days where maybe you are just running out to the store. You don't want to put like a bold lipstick on, but you want a little color. This might be nice to throw on and it'll be hydrating and things like that. All right, do we have something else? Yes, we do. We have two more things. I was counting and then I realized, oh yeah, we had some extra products. So this is by Complex Culture. This is the Precision Concealer Brush. It's valued at $26. This isn't your standard fluffy concealer brush. It has densely packed bristles for a full coverage finish and an angle tip for an ultra precise and even application when concealing your under eyes, the sides of your nose, or corners of your face. Okay. Oops. Oh, this feels like a nice brush. Look at the brush. Look how pretty that is. Ooh, feels really nice. And it feels like, ooh. Let's see what it says to use this for. So it says, tip, use the edge of this brush to remove stray lipstick or eyeliner marks and to clean up your brows after filling and oh, so this whole box goes very nicely together. So after we fill our brows, we can clean them up a little bit. Or I can take the little lip oil off. I'm not really doing it because I want to keep it clean. But I'm excited to have this. Love getting brushes. I don't like to buy brushes. I'm not good at picking out brushes, so I like when they send them to me, but I don't want a ton. I don't need a ton of brushes. So I'm happy to have this one though, because it looks like this one will come in good use. All right, last product. This is by Hey Honey. It's the Trick and Treat Concealer, Active Propolis Cream Concealer in light to medium. Kind of a small container, huh? So this is valued at $36. Wow, kind of small, huh? Skincare meets makeup with this medium coverage concealer. Active ingredients like moisturizing proline and antibacterial propolis extract help treat imperfections, while triple pigment technology instantly diffuses the look of dark circles, redness, and breakouts. This is nice. I need a new concealer too. It's like Ipsy knows what I need. I have a little mark on my hand. Let's see how well that covers it up. True test, right? Looks a little light for me, but you never know till you blend it. Let's see. Oh, a little better. I know on your face it'll be better, and that was a dark mark. Yeah, okay. And I like the Hey Honey products. I've had them before. So I think this was a good month again. I'm always happy with my Ipsy. Oh, and then we get these little bags. I have so many of these bags, so I love them, and I use them in my purse, but how many can you have? I like the bright, it says unstoppable. That's cute. But how many can you really have, you know? But I like it. All right, so thank you so much for sticking with me and watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I hope you're all staying healthy. Thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.